Thunderbolt Designs. Aesthetic touch.
Thunderbolt Design provide a variety of services including new construction, additions to existing buildings, interior renovation, and more.
It's design solution for your projects. Architectural design. Structural design.
Do you need ideas for a commercial building? Would you like to renovate your existing commercial building?
Electrical design. Mechanical design. Machine design. (3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D rendering). Corporate branding, brand manuals, and strategy corporate infographic videos. Website and mobile app development.
Our professional team has extensive experience in design and build contracts including design services, building and construction services, groundworks, foundations, civil and structural engineering works, and water engineering. In addition, we have experienced team in corporate branding, corporate brand manual design, and corporate infographic video preparation, website and mobile phone apps development.
Contact us. Blow 251 911 36 78 63. Email drechubabai@gmail.com or ausarudere@gmail.com. Addis Ababa, Ethiopia.
Thunderbolt Designs. Aesthetic touch.